Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So in our previous class we have seen that how we can compare the decimals, right? Comparison of decimals we have seen. We'll study about that. Now today we learn about the conversion of decimal fractions to fractions. Okay, decimal fraction को fraction में कैसे convert करते हैं इसके बारे में हम study करेंगे. Okay, so take out page number 103 in your mass readers. Okay, so now see conversion of decimal fractions to fractions. So to convert a decimal fraction into a fraction, follow the steps given below. Okay, so here we have some steps we have to follow that to convert the decimal fraction into the fractions. Okay, so the first one is step 1. Count the numbers of decimal places in the decimal fraction. Okay, first we have to count the numbers of decimal places in the decimal fraction. Okay, then next second step, ignore the decimal point and write all the digits as the numerator of the fraction. So second step में क्या करेंगे हम, वो जो decimal point है उसको ignore करेंगे, कुछ टाइम के लिए ignore कर लेंगे, फिर वो जितने भी numerators हैं सारे digits हम लिख लेंगे. Then the step 3, write as many zeros after 1 in the denominator as there were decimal places in the decimal fraction. Okay, then the last step, reduce the fraction to its simplest form. Okay, so these are the some steps. So we'll see an example. By seeing the example we can understand all these steps. So example 8, convert 5.01 into a fraction. Okay, here we have the decimal, we have to find 5.01 into a fraction, we have to convert it. Okay, so see the solution. Decimal fraction is 5.01, right? So यहाँ पे decimal fraction क्या है हमारा 5.01. Then the decimal places is 2. Decimal place में point के बाद यहाँ पे कितने places है 2 हैं. So decimal places is 2. Then the numerator. So numerator क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, this 5.01. This is became as our numerator as 501. Okay, so हमारा numerator क्या हो जाएगा 501 and the denominator is 100. Okay, why? Because here we have the 2 decimals, so it means the denominator is 100. अगर वहाँ पे 1 decimal रहा तो 10, 2 decimals means 100, 3 decimals means 1000. Okay, so the numerator is 501 and the denominator is 100. Okay, then the fraction is equals to 501 divided by 100. So therefore 5.01 is equals to 501 divided by 100. So then we'll convert it. Okay, in its simplest form. ये फ्रैक्शन को क्या करेंगे हम उसके लोएस्ट टर्म में सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर लेंगे. सो द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म इज 5 whole 1 divided by 100. Okay, if you multiply this 5 with the denominator, this 5 into 100 is 500, then add the numerator, so it became as 501 only. Okay, so the simplest form of 501 by 100 is 5 whole 1 divided by 100. Okay, so like this we can convert the decimal fraction into the fractions. Okay, I hope you understand the all steps how to convert the decimal fraction into the fractions.